brush my hair good. Oh my gosh. Where's the brush? Really? Are you brushing my hair good, Lila? Ow. Ow. Okay, that's enough. Give me the brush. Hello, you're gonna mess up my hair.
Almost done.
What do you mean almost done? You just mess it all up again. Ow! That's enough, Lila. No, no more brushing. That's enough. Here, come brush my hair again. Come on. Hurry up. Give me the brush.
Give up.
No, that's enough. This is my brush.
No.